So we have finished. This is the final product or the final look.
You got Michael and Camilla, and then there's Raphael. In 2018 we had Ariel. Our love is real, it feels surreal. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy the thrill. A typical date in a noble's household. We come from London where it's always cold. Daddy has to change the baby's bum bum, whilst mommy has to soothe Raphael's tum tum. Things are crazy as you can tell. At the end of everything it ends all well. The nobles. The nobles.
Guess who's back? Back again. Daddy's back.
Peace and love.
From Italy. How was your trip?
It was alright, you know?
Yeah.
There you go. I didn't do my makeup.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to VLOGMAS 5. Ooh, 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 ooh.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love said to me, Michael Noble, you're so global.
Today is VLOGMAS 5. I was meant to go to the gym this morning, however that got cancelled because I was meant to get up at 6 AM and it just didn't happen. Today my mum is coming over to help me put up some hooks on the wall because we have this coat stand, yeah, in the corner. And we've had 2 coat stands so far and they've both broken. It's obviously made of metal. Yeah, right there. So I've bought 3 hooks that I'm planning to put across here and across here. So yes, that's the plans today. This girl, she lives on the edge. Look at her. Look at her. Guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and enjoy the thrill. Press the notification bell so you get alerted when we upload a new video. Like, comment and share and enjoy VLOGMAS 5. So guys, remember I told you that we're trying this pescatarian / plant-based diet. This is the preparations for dinner today.
Looking green.
We've got, what's this thing called again? Oh, I forgot what the name is. Anyway, yeah, so we've got this. We've got green beans and we've got spinach, and then we're going to defrost salmon. We're gonna have that with, thank you, spaghetti and cream sauce. So Michael got me this vegan / vegetarian book, The Green Roasting Tea. It actually looks really nice, guys. I never thought turning pescatarian, vegan / plant-based diet, all of that would look so lovely. But yeah, that's kind of it.
Oh, mommy got nuts, bruv.
I'm really excited. So guys, I've decided to organize my drawers. Not organize, but just retidy. So I've got my drawers in color coordination. So I've got the whites, grays, greens and blacks. So I'm just gonna retidy it because, as you can see, she and Raphael just likes to come in here and take things out. Menina, o que você tá fazendo? And I'm gonna go through her drawers because her clothes, I put this dress on her and it's so short. So I'm gonna go through her clothes just to see which ones we can give away. So guys, I roll my clothes because it saves space. She keeps going to take the camera, guys. I'm done, so that's what my drawer looks like. Ta-da! We are about to organize. You okay, Batman? Do you want to show the guys your mask? Ooh, and what's that in your hands? What's that in your hands?
Whoa!
Yeah, so we're about to sort out all these drawers. It's got Ariel's things inside, and we are about to see what fits her and what doesn't fit her. So guys, we are done. Socks and shoes, tights and headband, bow type of thing. And then you've got this, which is her undergrows. And then her baby grows with her pajama sets.
Yeah.
Her leggings with her tops and jeans. Her dresses with jumpers.
And guess what, guys?
And then her tracksuit sets with little like jacket. And then this is the stuff I'm giving away. Right, so we have Vava. She has arrived. Vava is the lady that fixes everything. Right, so this is the plan, guys. This coat stand, like I mentioned earlier, it broke, so we literally taped it together. So that's going in the bin. And the plans is we've got 4 hooks and we are going to put it, I don't know exactly how, like where I want it, but we're basically going to put one there, one there. Just thinking of how to put them. So I think I'll put 2 here. If you can see, 2 here. And then 1 here. Let's see. So guys, we've discovered where we're going to put the height of the coat hooks, and Vava basically just drilled a hole, 2 holes, and then we are using no more nails, which is basically a nail filler
To help to
hold it together. So it says bonds all types of wood, metal, stone and plaster and concrete, and it basically has an instant grab. Using the uni bond because this nail here we're having problems to screw it in the wall because it's not, the depth is not big enough, so we're just using uni bond to put it above here, and what that does is it holds the wall with this and it's very secure. So that's what we're gonna do. thought I'd show you guys what I'm doing. So I've got some product here of the Unibond in my hand, and I'm just applying it to the gap that you see here. So we have finished. This is the final product, or the final look. We've got 3 there. Just have to wait 24 hours for the Unibond to dry, so then I can put our coats and scarves. So I have to wait until tomorrow, so I'll show you guys in our Vlogmas tomorrow how it looks with the final product. Now is nap time. So Ariel's having her milk and Raf's is gonna go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed our Vlogmas 5. You saw me organize my drawers and organize Ariel's drawers, and also Vovo come and helped me put some hooks on the wall, and that's basically it. A bit of DIY. If you enjoyed this Vlogmas, give us a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Merry Christmas, guys. Mwah.